Hi, so my daughter's gonna have her first haircut today, and it's going to be done by Mommy. So I was a hair model for years and years, and I picked up a lot of tips and tricks from the hairdressers. There's various reasons why you might want to cut your child's own hair for the first time. Hair salons can be a little bit overwhelming with the hair dryers and all the scissors and all the people. Maybe you don't have the time to go to the hair salon, which is my case. Maybe you want to do it to save a little money. You might just want to have control exactly of how it's cut. So here we go. We're going to cut it for the first time. I just gave her a bath. Her hair is not wet, but it's not dry either. It's just somewhere in between. It's a little damp. I think that's the best way to work with curly or wavy hair. You'll want to determine how much you want to cut. I just want to cut. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna cut a few inches like that. I'm just gonna start with the back here, and then I'm gonna correct it as I go. Look, baby, your hair. It doesn't have to be perfect when it's curly. Oh, she's putting it back in her head. So I have a guideline. So I'm gonna keep going. You can see the curls are already coming back now that I've cut it. Good, thank you, baby. Yeah, we're gonna cut your beautiful hair. We're gonna save it. Just kind of try to make it as even as you can. Yeah, it's falling apart. And if the hair is curly or wavy, it shrinks. So you want to err on the side of cutting less rather than cutting more. Just go back and you'll just trim the areas that maybe were not even. There we go. Oh, so cute. In case she gets fussy and doesn't let us do it all, let's go to the front and do the bangs a little bit. Look at all this pretty hair. Let Mama cut your little bangs. With bangs, be really modest and just cut much less than you think. You want to kind of section just this front area, and I'm going to go at a slant because her hair part's left. Yeah, see? So now they're a good length. If they're dry and they're still too long, you could go a little bit more. Now they're not too short, they're not too long. They just go nicely to the side with a little feather. Take a section here. Once you have that, you'll just kind of go at a 90 degrees angle. And I just kind of take the scissors through and just sort of thin it out a little bit so that it just lays nice. Now I'm just going to do sections around the head, and that way she'll have some nice little layers in her hair too. There we go. Oh, that's nice. So now I'll get to this side again.
Oh no, I dropped it.
Oh, okay. You want me to get it for you?
Yes.
Now I'll take the back section here. We're just doing little sections around her head. If there's any pieces that you feel like you missed, you can just go back and get those. So right now she doesn't have her curls because I've been combing and brushing it out so that I could cut it as evenly as possible. But I'm suspecting when we wet it again and wash it that she's gonna have her ringlet curls back, and I'm really excited about that. So you can look through the hair and see if there's anywhere that you feel like you missed. If you see any places that you want to trim a little more, you can definitely do that. I put a little bit of layers in there, and then the back is just a really cute little haircut. Do you like your new haircut?
I do. Haircut, Dad.
Do you like it?
Hi.
Yay! You did it! You got your pretty haircut! Yay! Jump around!
I love my haircut.
You love your haircut?
Wow. Look at all the
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye! Bye.